everyone, welcome to channel Knowledge of Friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your reasoning, that is your puzzle test. Here your class number is 103. We had completed 102 classes, and in reasoning, if I'm talking about, we had covered up first of all the first topic, that is analogy. Then we had covered up the classification, then series completion. Uske baad we had done your coding and decoding, then blood relation, and then now we are going to start with PT, that is your puzzle test में already हम लोग 66 classes 66 questions already कर चुके हैं, and जो अभी हम लोग कर रहे हैं, this is your class number 103. Now we're going to start with your question number, that is your question number 67. Here is the first question for the session. That 67 question is, there are 5 friends. यहाँ पे 5 friends, देयर आर 5 फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पे 5 फ्रेंड हैं. देयर आर स्टैंडिंग इन एरो फेसिंग साउथ. ओके, तो ये लोग एक रो में है जहाँ पे वो फेस कर रहे हैं साउथ को. जयेश इनटू द इमीडिएट राइट टू आलोक. प्रमोद इज बिटवीन द भगत एंड सुबोध. Subodh is between the Jagesh and Pramod, and who is at the extreme left end. ये आपका बैंक पीओ के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है. The option you have is option A is Alok, B is Bhagat, and C is Subodh. So here you can see that you can also see that in the condition there it is कि पहले हम इनकी conditions को देखेंगे, justify करेंगे what they had given. 5 फ्रेंड्स से उसमें से बोला गया था सब साउथ की तरफ फॉरवर्डली देख रहे हैं, तो साउथ की बात करते तो इट इज़ नॉर्थ एंड दिस इज साउथ. ओके, इसका मतलब इस तरफ मूव करें तो सारे जो भी होंगे ना वो सारे इधर साइड पे मूव फेस कर रहे होंगे. ठीक है, लाइक मैंने ऐसे 5 एरोज बना लिए लाइक एज फ्रेंड. अब नेम करते हैं इनको. तो पहला कंडीशन उन्होंने बोला है दैट जयेश इनटू द इमीडिएट राइट ऑफ आलोक. इमीडिएट राइट ऑफ आलोक का मतलब है कि जयेश जो है वो इमीडिएट राइट ऑफ आलोक है. तो अगर मैं मान लो जयेश को यहाँ पे रखती हूँ, तो जयेश अगर यहाँ पे है तो यहाँ पे मान लो आलोक है जस्ट इमीडिएट. तो मुझे नहीं पता कि ये इधर साइड कंडीशन पे है या इधर साइड कंडीशन पे, इसलिए मैंने इनको रखा है कि जयेश इज द राइट ऑफ योर इनटू राइट ऑफ आलोक. ओके, now next condition that they had said you about the Pramod is between Bhagat and Subodh. प्रमोद जो है वो भगत और सुबोध के बीच में है. तो प्रमोद जो है, ये प्रमोद है, ये जो है वो भगत और सुबोध के बीच में है. इस तरह से मैंने एक कंडीशन को समझा. ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट दे हैड कंडीशन सुबोध इज इन बिटवीन जगेश एंड प्रमोद. सुबोध जो है वो जगेश और प्रमोद के बीच में है. तो प्रमोद ये है, जगेश कहते हैं. ओके, मैंने जो नेमिंग की है वो उसके अकॉर्डिंग ठीक की है. तो हु इज़ एट द एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट हैंड पे सबसे कौन है. इफ़ आई एम सेइंग अबाउट, अगर मैं साउथ की तरफ से नॉर्थ कंडीशन पे उधर साइड से देखूंगी, इफ़ आई एम सीइंग फ्रॉम लाइक दैट, सो द लेफ्ट ऑन साइड वी हैव योर आलोक. सो हियर द आंसर विल बी आलोक. Who is at the extreme left hand, that the option A will be the right answer. Now moving on with the next question that we have here, question number 68. Who is in the middle? So you have to tell that who is in the middle. So in the middle is like Bhagat, and then Pramod, we have Subodh, and then Jagesh and Alok. So here it is in the middle. अगर 5 है तो of course 2 इधर left पे छोड़ेंगे and then right पे 2 छोड़ेंगे, and in between जो ये Subodh है, this is in the middle. So option, let's see the option. Option A is Bhagat, B is Subodh, and C is Jagesh. The answer will be the Subodh. Next, moving on with the next question that we have is your question number 69. To find the answer to the above questions, which of the given statement can be dispensed with? Option A is C only, option B is your B only, and option C is A only. So in the while going through the statement, this is the A1, the statement that we have, and then the B statement we have this, and the C statement that we have is this. So you have to tell the answer above the two questions that give statement can be dispensed with. So that the answer will be only A, that Jayesh is immediate to the right of Alok, and the option A will C will be the right answer, that is we having a A only. Now moving on with the next question that we have is, so here you can see that in the question number 70, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting are in the wall, and also all of them are facing to the east. If I'm talking about the east, then we have as your north here, and there it is south, and this is your west, and this is your east. Okay. So here you can see that C is the immediate right of D. C is the immediate right of D. It means C is downward and D is upward with this, and they are facing to the east. B is at the extreme end. B जो है वो आपका extreme end है, either in the upside or either in the downside. So we just think of it. And E has a neighbor, and इसका जो neighbor होगा that is E. Of course it is on, if it is an extreme of up, so it is will be in the second position. If it is in the last, then we of course the last second position that E will be. And after that G is between E and F. G जो है वो आपका E and F के बीच में, it means G will be here, and after that G they we have a F. Okay, then after that what we have to see, G is in between A and E and F, and D is sitting third from the south. So D is sitting in the third from the south. Who is sitting to the right of E? Of course we have to see, like B is completed, C is there, D is there, E, F and G. Now A is remaining and D is the third, so of course A means that A is in the downside, okay, in the extreme. And here they are ask you about who is sitting right of E. If I'm talking about the right of E, so here you can search for the E, and here it is E, and the right of E will be of course G. The option we have is option A is none of these, B is F, and C is D. So not, of course G है ही नहीं option में, so the right answer will be the none of these in this case. Now moving on to the next question that we have, your question number or your 71. Which of the following pairs people are sitting at the extreme end? आपको इनमें से जो पेयर्स दिए हुए हैं उसमें से जो एक्सट्रीम एंड पे बैठे हैं उनको आपको बताना है. ऑप्शन ए है ए ई, ऑप्शन बी है ए बी, एंड ऑप्शन सी है ई बी. सो हियर इट इज़ ई बी, ओके, एंड ए सी नहीं है ऑप्शन यहाँ पे. ए सी या सी ए ऑप्शन है भी नहीं, तो ऑफकोर्स द आंसर विल बी योर आंसर इज योर EB. So here it will be the option C will be the right answer. Now moving on with the next question that we have here, question number 72 here. Name the person who should change place with a C such that he gets third place from the north end. तो नॉर्थ एंड से अगर थर्ड प्लेस चाहिए तो ऑफकोर्स उसको जी से एक्सचेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, जी से अगर एक्सचेंज कर लेगा तो ऑफकोर्स it will get a third position from the north side. And option that we have is option A is your E, option B is F, and option C will be G, and the answer also the C is the right answer. Now moving on to the next question, that is question number 73 that we have. So here you can see that the question number 73 that we have, immediate between of the following pairs of D sitting. So D के just immediate कौन है? Option A है C F, option B is C E, and option C is A F. So the right answer, just like we, if I'm writing those things again, so you can just match it out. First is your B is facing towards east, then E we have, then G we have, then F we have, then D we have, and then C, then A. So of course D के जो just adjacent जो just आपके sit हुए वो आपके कौन से, either it is C or A, and then G or F. So option C, F, and C, E, and A, F. So the answer will be C and F. CF. Okay, now moving on with the next question that we have, your question number for 74 here. In the Olympic Games, the flags of 6 nations were flown on the mast of the following ways. The flag of America was the left of the Indian, okay, where you can see that the tricolor and the right of the flag of France. The flag of Australia is the right of Indian flag, and the left of the flag of Japan. Who was the left of the flag of China? Find the two flags which are in the center. So you have to answer this question according to the exceptions that they had done with it. Okay, so here it is a flag, so just going through with the flag, we have to mention all the things. Okay, अभी देखते हैं कि किस तरह से होगा, because we take it just as for the sequence that they are interchanging or they are demanding with respect to that. So here the answer will be the option A is Japan and Australia, and the option B is your Indian and Australia. So it is asked in your assistant grade question paper, the two flags which are in the center. So of course if we write it out, so you can see that first of all here it is America, and flag is to the left of India. Okay, so the left of India, whereas the tricolor and Indian tricolor, and then right of the flag of France. Right flag, इसका मतलब है India is in between France and America, and the Australia was on the right of the Indian flag. Australia is right of the Australian flag, and of course of Japan, which of the following left of the China. So in between अगर हम बात करते हैं, so the flag will be the Indian and Australia. Next question, that is question number 75, that we have Mr. A and Ms. B, Mr. C and Ms. D are sitting around a table and discussing their trades. Mr. A sits opposite to the cook. Okay, so Mr. A जो है that is sitting to the opposite to the cooks here, and Mr. B sits right of the barber. Okay, the washer is the left on the tailor. Miss A sits opposite to the Mr. C. What are the traits of A and B? So that these were the things that accordingly we have to answer all these questions. Okay, so now we're gonna conclude this as the arrangement that they had done. What are the traits of A and B? Traits of A and B हमको बताना है. तो मिस्टर ए जो है, अगर हम मिस्टर एक्स की बात करते हैं तो वो आपके जो है वो राइट ऑफ मिस्टर वाई के थे. ठीक है, क्लियर. सो इसके अकॉर्डिंग हम अगर डिस्कस करते हैं, इसके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम बात को लिखते हैं तो वी हैव टू सी कि क्या आपका बनेगा. तो ए और बी का जो ट्रेड होगा वो टेलर और कुक होगा. टेलर और कुक क्यों होगा? क्योंकि अगर हम इसके क्वेश्चन को फिर से पढ़ें तो सी एंड डी सिट्स लाइक वी कैन से दैट सी एंड डी जो है वो आपके एक दूसरे के साथ बैठे हुए हैं. ए जो है वो आपका बैठा हुआ है. उसके हिसाब से बी जो है वो राइट होगा बाबर के. ओके, तो बी अगर राइट है, बी जो है B is the right of barber, and then one of the rest. अगर हम मैं बात करती हूँ तो C will be the barber, and D will be the opposite to that washerman and the tailor, but the washerman is the left of the tailor and D is the left of the A. So the D is the washerman and A is the tailor. So A and B were the tailors and cook. Okay, so according to the tailors and cook, and the answer option A is tailor and cook and B is tailor and barber, the option A will be the right answer. Now moving on to the next question, that we have a question number 76 here. This is the question number. Sitting in a row in front of the camera, Mr. X is on the left of the person sitting in the center, but is on the right of the Mr. Y. Mr. P is on the right of Mr. Z, and the Mr. R is on the right of the Mr. P. Mr. R is on the second person from the person sitting in the center. Who is the person sitting in the center? कौन है जो center में बैठा है? So of course we will write accordingly. अब इसकी बात करते हैं. Then Mr. X is on the left of the person sitting on the center, but the right of the Y. तो Y के right पे है. Okay, Mr. X. तो Y जो है that is on the right with the X. Okay. Now the second condition, the P is on the right of the Mr. Z. तो P जो है वो आपका right है Mr. Z के. Clear? So this is the scenario that I have made. And then Mr. R is the right of the P. Mr. R जो है वो right है आपके P के. Miss is the second or from the sitting of the center, and who is the sitting person who is sitting in the center? That you can say that Mr. Z is the sitting on the center. The option is Mr. X, Mr. Z and Mr. Y. Yes, CBI के question paper पूछा गया, and the answer will be Mr. Z as the sequence that we had maintained. So here it is Y, X, Z, F and R. Okay, so this is the sequence that they had made. This is me. Okay, moving on to the next question that we have. Your question number 77 that we have. 77 question. 11 students A, C, E, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and K are sitting in the first row of the class facing the teacher. D is who? Teacher. D who is the immediate left of F. पहला condition है D जो कि आपका क्या है left of F है, and the second is the right of C. A is the second right of E, and who is at the end? J is immediate of the neighbor A and B, and the third left of G. H is the immediate left of D, and the third right of I, and who is sitting in the middle of the row. Then this is asked in your UTI question paper. So option we have option A is I, option B is G, and C is C. And the option according to that you have to mention all the students in the array. So here you can see that जिस तरह से conditions दी हुई है उसके हिसाब से D is the left of F. तो left of F है, obvious सी बात है, तो हम लोग उसको accordingly put करेंगे values को. D जो है वो left of F है. Okay, next the condition they had A is the second to right of the E. तो it means जो आपका E है उसके according वो बैठेगा. तो just for the case अगर हम बात करते हैं एक मान लो इस साइड से लेफ्ट पे है और इस साइड से हम ले लेते हैं एक डी है जो वो एफ पे है, ठीक है। दिस इज द अनदर केस दैट वी आर टेकिंग, दोनों केस से लेके चलते हैं। ओके, अब बात करते हैं, इन्होंने बोला सेकंड कंडीशन में ए इज द सेकंड और राइट ऑफ ई, तो इसका मतलब है ई के अगर बगल में है, सो वी कैन से दैट द कंडीशन दैट वी आर फॉलोइंग इज ए जो है वो ई के बगल में है, तो ए जो है वो आपका ई के साइड पे है। ओके, ए ई हम साइड सीक्वेंस में बनाएंगे। तो पहला अगर हम बनाते हैं डी एफ बनेगा, फिर एच आएगा, देन योर सी, देन योर जी आई बी जे ए के एंड योर ऑफ कोर्स ए के एंड ई, देन वी हैव दिस सीक्वेंस। अगर हम दूसरे सीक्वेंस की बात करते हैं तो देन डी एफ एच जे सी आई जी बी ए ई के, तो ये एक सीक्वेंस बनेगा, इट्स जस्ट रिवर्स ऑफ दिस। ओके, सो इस तरह से सीक्वेंस बनेगा, बट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इज डी एन के आर सिटिंग एट द एंड ऑफ द न्यू अरेंजमेंट। न्यू अरेंजमेंट की बात करती हूँ, अगर इस अरेंजमेंट की बात करती हूँ तो मिडिल में आपका डी एन के है, बट अगर मैं बात करती हूँ जस्ट टू द मिडल, तो आपका आंसर जो होगा वो ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट आंसर, द आई इज इन द मिडल। ओके, so according to the scenario, now they had said you which of the following, अगर इसकी बात करते हैं तो I जो हमारा मिडल बनेगा, and with the group of the friends sitting to the right of G, right of G के कौन बैठा है, तो right of G हमारा जो ऑप्शन है C H D E C H D F एंड I B J A। तो पहले तो हम ढूंढेंगे अपना D G कहाँ है, सो G जो ये है। ओके, तो इनके जो आपके अगर मैं राइट की बात, सी एच डी एफ बैठे हैं, ये देख सकते हैं आप, तो ऑप्शन बी विल बी द राइट आंसर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू इन द context ऑफ above sitting arrangement? So B is sitting between I J and I and K is sitting between A and J. These were the two options. So let's see कि जो आपका नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट है वो कहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है, तो B is sitting J and I, B जो है लेट्स फाइंड आउट, बी जे एंड आई के बीच में बैठा है, हाँ दिख तो रहा है ऐसा। के सिटिंग ए एंड जे, के जो है वो आपका ए एंड जे ने ए के बाद में बैठा है, तो इट मीन्स द बी ऑप्शन ए विल बी द राइट आंसर, दैट इज बी इज सिटिंग बिटवीन जे एंड आई। Now moving on with the next question that we have, your question number 80, that we have in the above sitting arrangement, if I'm talking about the above sitting arrangement, which of the following statement is superfluous? So option A is 4 and option A is your none of the superfluous and C is your second, that means the right answer will be the B, that is none of the superfluous, कोई भी superfluous नहीं है। Next question, that is question number 81. If E and D and C and B and A and H and K and F interchange their position, which of the following pair students is sitting at the end? So just like we had made the previous the scenario that D and F, then H, J O, sorry J C I O B A E K. So this was the sequence that we had made. So that they are, if they are interchanged, so A option D and E, B is C, E and F, and C option is D and K. So the option is D and K will be the right answer. Okay, D and K जो आपके हैं वो एक्सट्रीम आपके हैं बैठे हुए, ठीक है। So this will be the answer. Now moving on with the next question, that we have a question number 82 that we're going to discuss in this class only. Here you can see that the question number 82, 8% A, B, E, F, G, H, I, J, K and L are sitting around a sequence table. To one of each side, there are 3 lady member and there are 3 seated next to each other. Okay, so they are not seated next to each other. There are 3 ladies in these among members that we had 8 persons. J is between L and F. J जो है वो आपका L और F के बीच में बैठा हुआ है, तो we write it down on that कि J जो है वो आपका लेफ्ट एंड उसके बैठा हुआ है, and G is I and F. जो G है वो आपका I और F के बीच में बैठा है। H जो है लेडी है, is the second left of J, and F is a female member is sitting in opposite to a lady member. There are a lady member between F and I. So ये बैंक पे के क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया है, and here they had the answer. Option A is none of these, option B is I and option C is F. So here you have to answer जो E और H के बीच में बैठे हैं। तो E और H के रेफरेंस में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो E और H के रेफरेंस में अभी यहाँ पे तो नहीं है। E सिटिंग अपोजिट टू द F and since J will be between F and I, so F and I के बीच में, and G is the female member, so the option is K is seated between E and H. E and H के बीच में आपका K बैठा है, तो ऑफकोर्स यहाँ पे नन ऑफ दीज आंसर होगा, बिकॉज इसमें ऑप्शन ही नहीं दिया हुआ है. हाउ मेनी पर्सनस आर सिटिंग बिटवीन के एंड एफ के बीच में कौन बैठा है. सो इन द केस ऑफ दिस यू कैन सी दैट हियर इट इज the three person that they are sitting in, that K is seated between the A and H, and of course if I'm talking about the second one, so 3% H, L, J are sitting between K and F. So there were the three members, like we as according to the question condition. So H, L और J जो है ये तीनों बैठे हैं आपके K and F के बीच में. So they are the three members. So option A is 2, option B is 3, and option C is 1. Then option B will be the right answer. Now moving on with the question number 84, that who among the following are the three ladies member. तो कौन से three ladies member है. Option A है E G J, and then option B is G H J, C is E H G. तो option will be the we have a three lady member, that is E H G, and the option C will be the right answer. Now moving on with the next question, that we have a question number 85. Here, who among the following is in the immediate to the left of F. Left of F, immediate left of F कौन है. ऑप्शन है आपका, that is option A is J, option B is I, option C is J. With respect to this question, then we have your answer will be J is the immediate left of A. So of course J will be the immediate, the option will be the J, A is the right answer. Now moving on with the next question, that we have a question number 86. Which of the following is the true about J. J के लिए true कौन सा है. ऑप्शन A है J is the female member, J is the male member, and none of these. तो of course अगर मैंने female के बारे में आपको EHG बताया था already, तो of course J is not a male female. So of course female नहीं है, तो of course वो male होंगे, तो J is the male member. Here you can get to know कि किस तरह से किया जाएगा. तो क्लास आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू, होप यू एंजॉय दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज गिव अ थम्स अप and give a suggestion on a comment box. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and they can also get all these knowledge about that what you are getting. And please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for subscribing our channel, those who had subscribed and liked our videos. And I would request, if you are seeing the first time this videos, so please go through with the subscribe button, and please can you suggest any of the things that you want to suggest. Thank you.